Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are very fine. I am Kinjal Sonchatra, your math guide. Welcome back to my channel Case Study Zone. This is the third tutorial of probability, chapter 15 of standard 10th. In last session we discussed about the example of dice, and in that we have seen probability to get head when we throw the dice. So answer was 1 upon 2, and also I have given you homework. Remember? Hope you have done your homework properly. So I think you are excited about to check your answer of homework, right? And also let me know in comment section how many of have you done your homework properly and got right answer, right? So don't waste the time and start with the topic. Today we will discuss about these topics. So first one is basic formula of probability, second answer of last homework, third example 2 from your textbook, and fourth obviously homework. So starting with the first topic, formula. Basic formula of probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes, which is already you know about it. So go to the next slide. Oh, it's homework answer. So first question is find the probability to get tail when we toss the coin. Check here, coin. For an event to get tail, so number of possible outcomes are only 1, because in coin there is only one tail and total outcomes are 2, head and tail, equals to 1 upon 2. Got it? Now second question, find the probability to get 1 when we throw the dice. See, here check. Right, here we have only one side of number 1. So for an event to get 1 equals to number of possible outcome 1 and total outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 1 upon 6. Now third question, find the probability to get 3 when we throw the dice. Check it here. Okay, here also one side of number 3. So for an event to get 3 equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 1 upon 6. Got it? Okay, if you have any question about it, then you can comment and ask the question. Right? Now go to the next slide. Oh, it's example 2. A bag contains a red ball, a blue ball and a yellow ball. Means there are total 3 balls. All the balls being of the same size. Kritika takes out a ball. Means Kritika every time takes out single ball from the bag without looking into it. What is the probability that she takes out? First question of example 2 is yellow ball. Second question of example 2 is red ball, and third question of example 2 is blue ball. Means here we have 3 questions in single example. Now come to the answer. There are 3 balls, blue, yellow and red. So total outcomes are 3, red, blue and yellow. And Kritika chooses only one ball every time. She chooses either yellow or red or blue. So possible outcome for yellow equals to 1, because we have only one ball here. So for an event to get yellow ball equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 1 upon 3. Got it? Now go to the next slide. Oh, it's homework time. I think you are thinking that I forgot to cover another 2 points like probability to get red and yellow ball. So I didn't forget it, huh? I want to check can you do or not. and I give in homework session. So write the questions for homework. First one is find the probability to get red ball from example 2. You can refer here first image also. Second question is find the probability to get blue ball from example 2, and third question is find the probability to get orange ball. Okay, you should refer figure 2 here. This is figure 2. Best of luck, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any query, then you can ask in comment section. Thank you.